What's going on, guys? I'm Banker with Custom Offsets. We are back with another Lifts and Levels. This time it's going to be the Zone 6.5 inch kit for the 2014 to 2018 GM trucks, Silverado, Sierra 1500s. Let's check this out. So you'll see the basis of the kit is the strut spacer, sits on top of the strut. It also has the replacement knuckles. You will see the CV axle spacer, so do remember that this is going to increase the track width 1 3/4 inches each side. So you're going to want to factor that into your stance and how the truck's going to sit overall when it's done, any trimming that's going to be needed. You'll see the drop cross members here and here. The CV angle isn't great, but again, this is at full droop in the air, so we will get you another shot on the ground, show you how that looks. You'll see the big skid plate that Zone provides, and remember, Zone is a derivative of BDS, so you'll see a lot of the same kind of style components in these kits, just kind of downplayed, not as fancy. So it does have the full Diff skid plate with the brace on this side and the full front skid plate under here as well. We'll go around to the back here. In the rear, it's pretty standard with just the block, new U-bolts, and he did go with the Fox upgrade. He also went with the add-a-leaf. If this is something you're going to be towing or hauling with a lot, that's always a good idea. It's gonna get the back up a little bit higher, but these trucks weren't that great on load capacity from the factory, so that add-a-leaf definitely helps the situation if you're gonna be putting anything once the truck is lifted. So it's a pretty basic kit, but it's priced pretty basic as well. So this is a great entry level, a great rivalry with Rough Country on this Zone 6.5 inch kit. So make sure to like, subscribe, tell us what you think about the Zone kits, and that's all I've got to say.